He used to stand outside the school every single day, but no one ever asked why. He had no books with him, no proper uniform. He would just stand quietly and watch everyone. The other kids laughed at him, calling him poor, ignoring him completely. But one day, he didn't show up at all. Everyone thought maybe he left forever. The next morning, a black car stopped at the school gate. When the principal opened the envelope, everyone was shocked. That same boy had donated the entire school. The one everyone called poor was actually the biggest benefactor of all. Never judge someone by what you see. Follow Flicks for more real stories.